following is a presentation of WGN Sports.
We're down to that place where it's one game, and I think everybody feels pretty good about our chances.
The city is starving for a winner. I'm starving for a winner, and hopefully the city and Grace will be awfully happy.
I mean, you couldn't ask for any more than this right now. I mean, this is you know, every little boy's dream to be out on the mound.
This incredible roller coaster ride of emotions that has been the 1998 Cubs season wraps up the regular season portion of the schedule today in the Astrodome. The Astros and the Cubs will battle once again before a full house here on WGN. Hello again, everybody. Along with Steve Stone, I'm Chip Caray. Welcome to what we think will be another crazy edition of Cubs baseball. And Terry Mulholland said it best. It's one game, winner take all. Every player's dream, every boy's dream growing up to play Major League Baseball and be in this spot.
This is not a game for the faint of heart. And for Terry Mulholland, when he left this ballpark last, it was in defeat and in embarrassment. But Terry Mulholland has a chance for a redeemer. He goes to the mound today, an unlikely starter. Terry Mulholland with the season on his shoulders. I think he's going to be good enough.
Well, Terry Mulholland's been perfect as a starter for the Cubs. He has been extremely dependable, he's been extremely durable, and he's been extremely tough on the opposition. And we hope that happens today as the Cubs and Astros battle in another must-win situation here at the Astrodome in Houston, Texas. Starting lineup some more come your way right after this timeout.
Chicago Cubs baseball on WGN. Brought to you by Brewery Fresh Budweiser, the official beer of Major League Baseball. The Discover Card, the card that pays you back with a cashback bonus award. AutoZone, the best parts in auto parts. Pepsi, Generation Next. ComEd, the official electric company of the Chicago Cubs. ComEd, what do you do with your power? And by Southwest Airlines, offering low fares and frequent flights. Southwest Airlines, the official airline of the Chicago Cubs.